Hello guys, bago kami sa Jollibee. Nag-invite ka mo. Birthday simba kay si sister ko.
Very birthday simba guys, yung anak ko.
Masuok lang din, hindi kaya lang mag-e-bike na lang kami at kumapos magpanaw. Kasi iban ko ni Atap, mahibal.
Oh dear! Oh dear! Kala niya po tulog.
Hey, wait for me!
Yari na kita Jollibee.
Wow, big world.
Peter! What's moving?
Ano kayo pasya? Ano kayo sa Bongbong? Naon ko na siya.
Let's go, let's go. Are you excited, Ryan? Huh? Are you excited? Okay.
Ma'am, may pa-short message po ba kayo para kay Elias po?
To my baby Elias, hindi pa man niya naiintindihan yung sasabihin ko ba, I'm praying na sana lumaki siyang respectful and always thankful sa mga blessings na nare-receive niya. And syempre, good health sa kanya and more birthdays to come pa. Amen.
Palagpakan naman natin si Ma'am, si Sir po.
Short message. Birthday.
Thank you so much po. Ayan, asa na mga kids natin? Siyempre, before tayo mag-start sa ating next activities, may pa-warm up muna tayo para sa lahat. All kids dito sa front. Let's go! I-follow nyo lang po din sa mga kids.
Magpatas sa yung buka.
Ayan, ang first set. Ang first set, yung kamay nasa taas. Kids, yung kamay nasa taas. Ayan, gawin lang anong ginagawa ni Kuya. Second, nasa. Ayan. Ang third, careful lang. Ang fourth, palakpak. Ayan. 1, 2, 3, go. Music, please. Clap your hands. Ayan. Ayan, thank you so much. Ayan, thank you so much, baby boy. Okay, next. Go, pass. Thank you so much, man. Dalawang panalo natin. Thank you so much, baby. Okay, okay, go, pass. Ayan, thank you so much, baby boy. Ayan, congratulations. What is your name? Congratulations, Sweet C and Monsor. Ayan, bring your prize here po. Alika, bring your prize here. Thank you, baby. Ayan, this time ako na 5. 4. Apat. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you so much, baby boy. Upo na po sila. Ayan. Okay, okay, ulit tayo. Big circle again. Ayan. Move yourself into 5. Asan? Thank you so much, my bigger and baby boy. Ayan, happen again. Big circle. Ngayon na yung trophy. Ayan. Move yourself into 3. 3 lang. 3. Sino dyan, Alice? Ayan. Move yourself into 3. 3 lang. 3. Sino? Ayan. Because of baby boy. Thank you. Ayan. This time, dalawa namang panalo natin. Ayaw ka, baby boy. Ayan, sino, baby boy? Halika. Halika. Diyan ka na. Diyan ka na. Ayan. Move yourself into 2. Ayan. Thank you so much, ma. Congratulations po. Okay, claim your prize. Okay, picture. Nating lahat, walang iba kundi si Jollibee! Countdown, Jollibee! Pakagawa naman dyan, Jollibee, sa bisita natin. Siyempre. Kumusta si Jollibee? Ano?
Ayan, oh, Jollibee, oh. Jollibee, oh.
One, two, three, smile. Smile again.
Baby, wanna flip the top, I'ma come make it hit the spot. Every little trip to drop.
Baby, go on, baby. One, two, three, smile.
So pop, pencil south. I didn't know Without you, I could feel lose my money. Without you, I could be for life. Without you, I could be for my life. Without you.